Seeing your period twice in a month might be normal. Yes, your period doesn't strictly mean once in a month. What matters is your menstrual cycle, not the calendar. Normal menstrual cycle range from 21 days to 35 days. Yes, counting from the first day you see your period this month to the first day of your next period. For example, if your period starts 2nd of January, if your menstrual cycle is around that 26 days, you might likely see your period on the 28th of that same January. Yes, it's a normal menstrual cycle and it's absolutely normal. It doesn't mean you see your period twice in a month. For people that have longer menstrual cycle, they might skip a month. Yes, they might skip a whole month without menstruating at all. It is absolutely normal. For example, for those with longer menstrual cycle, let's say they see their period 26th of June and they have 35 days menstrual cycle. The whole of July, they might not see their period. Yes, but they are going to see it early August. Do you see that? Because their menstrual cycle is 35. That means they will see their period every 35 days, regardless of calendar, regardless of anything. Every 35 days, that's when they will see their period. So when they skip a month, it doesn't mean they are pregnant. If they are not, it doesn't mean they have any kind of disease. It's just their body following their menstrual cycle. So how do you count your menstrual cycle? How do you calculate it? How do you find out your menstrual cycle? Now, there are some apps you can download that will help you count your menstrual cycle. And you can also do it yourself. This is how you do it. You are going to track about 7 months of your menstruation. You are going to track it. The first day, you write it down. Let's say the first day of January, you write it down. The first day of February, you write it down. Then you are going to count days in between it. In between the day you saw it January and the day you see it, you see it on February, you are going to count the days. Let's say from January to February, let's say you have like 27 days in between. And then February to March, when do you see it February? When do you see it March? You count the days. You are going to do that for like 7 months. And then you are going to take average of it. How do you take average? Let's say you do it for 7 months. You are going to add everything together, divided by 7. If you do it for 7 months. If you do it for 4 months, you are going to divide by 4. So that's how you get average. So whatever the result is, that's your menstrual cycle. That means, let's say it's 24. That means you are going to be seeing your period every 24 days. Every 24 days. That is, if you see it 1st of February, you will likely see it 24th of that same month. Do you get it like that? So it's absolutely normal. Nothing is wrong with that. So if you don't see your period for 40 days, let's say you menstruate 1st of January, and then you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, till 40, and you did not see your period, that is when you should be concerned. Yes, that's when you need to visit the hospital and then run some tests. But your period doesn't base on calendar. It is based on your menstrual cycle. Bye.